What's up YouTube, this is Vijay and Sura back with another video, and today's video is about unboxing the 70 MAI Dashcam which I bought for the Kiger, and I'm gonna explain what I've got and what is the price. Okay, so here we have, I got the 70 MAI hardware kit which costed me around 1800, SD card of 128 GB for 1300, and the 70 MAI A500S PRO Plus dual channel with parking surveillance for 9800. The total bill came up to like almost 13,000. Let's keep this aside and start the unboxing. I already removed the cover. There you go. So there you have your 70 MAI Dashcam Pro Plus and seal pack. I also bought this 128 gigs of SD card which is supported from the same next Digitron, and this is the parking surveillance and the hardwire kit with all different types of fuses, so you don't have to mess around with the cabling. So without further ado, let's go ahead and cut this open. Okay, I love the brand new packing and unpacking. So this is the 70 MAI. Okay, this is the packing, what it looks like, the branding. It's 2K Ultra HD video, app enabled, dual channel recording, and built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Okay, and more particulars about the camera here, the dimension and everything, and this is the model and the details. Let's unravel the beautiful piece, and I'm gonna keep this aside for time being. Okay, ta-da! Okay, nice box. So this seems to, oh okay, so this is the, I believe, the anti-static stickers. I don't plan to use these, so I'm gonna put it directly. You got the double tapes, and we have the user manual, you have the camera manual, and the double tape again. I'm going to keep it aside for time being. What else do we have? Okay, let's first see the camera itself. Beautiful, guys, look at it, beautiful. I think we can change here, you can change the angle as well. This is what is going to go in my Kiger. This is small display which I'm gonna remove later, but this is the front and this is the back. Here also we can, I think we can change the angle. Yeah, up and down, beautiful. Putting it back again, and what we have here is a prying tool with which you can actually open the side panels and shove the cables inside. Nice looking. Now this is what I like, they gave 2 USB ports, so in case if you utilize this into your one car socket, you can actually use this another one for your general purpose. So this is quite nice. Let me turn this around, keep this aside. This is the mounting bracket. This is the cable which will run all the way to the back, which is good quality. And I believe this is for the front. Yep, beautiful quality, man. This is something which I really wanted. I was searching out for a good camera in my budget, and for 13,000, including the adapters, the parking sense, parking surveillance and everything, this is a good deal. I don't think there is any other action camera in this budget which gives you this kind of a quality. So far I just love this, and this is it. I'm gonna go ahead, install this camera tomorrow in the car, and probably give the review. Let's keep this aside. And so in order to actually go ahead and get a surveillance in the parking, you need to hardwire, and this is that entire kit. There you go. This is the whole kit. Instructions manual is also there, so I'm going to use this one. And since there are different models of cars and different fuse sizes, they have provided different sizes and different adapters, in total 6 of them. So you see, one is small like this, then there's a bigger one, and then there is this type. So yeah, all different size. All we need is just 2 of them. But yeah, it's good that they gave the whole thing. There is the hardware kit, user manual. So yeah, superb. I love this, and plus I'm gonna use this 128 gig, and I'm really happy with the purchase. This is wonderful. And if you like this video, please go ahead, give a thumbs up and share my video. And if you want one of these, I strongly suggest you go to Next Digitron site and order this. Thank you. A big thumbs up. Bye bye. Stay safe.